everyone! This time we are going to focus on continuing solving the problems that we discussed and try to solve in the previous video. Right now, I'm trying to focus on solving on implementing the print buffering. Right now, it is basically stuff that returns no right wrapper, whereas what we actually need to do, we need to return the right wrapper that would write directly, that would write to the string buffer to the SSL buffer in the thread local static, so that when the Python code finishes the execution, we could actually use the results so that we could actually access the spell buffer and flush the changes from there to the right function that we originally needed. But because we pass the original function in the rough right button, we also need to return it. So what this means that we have to make the enum heterogeneous in the contents of its variance. Therefore, it creates problems for usage macros like maybe as f. Let's call it f3. So it will be f1 to the 3, and the f is going to be original, which is f buffer. need to return what? Right up. We don't need to move anything. Python start Excel. No, I don't want that. Alright, because it is invoked by Python. It actually should return a result. Therefore, what we need to do is to instead of that we need to do try borrow mute, and then we have this result object that we need to convert to Python error, which must be done like this. So now we need to see, how did we deal with it earlier? Alright, I did not deal with it at all. Fine. So now I realize that I also have to fix that. Okay, let me see. I should probably find a way to do not show the contents of my Discord when I do this. But it is fine for now, I guess. I guess it's fine. Let me see what I can do about it. Just what I can do about it. Oh, hi, Teddy. How can you join me? First of all, sorry for a bit belated response. You can join me, you can message me on Discord, and eventually we can agree about coding together. And this way you'll be able to contact me. So if you... let me see, let's status... search account /response user ID. So here's my ID on Discord. And this way you can contact me on Discord. And maybe if you work, if you tell me what exactly you would like to do, we can definitely try coding something together. Absolutely. I'm not sure I'm ready to spontaneous inviting people and coding something together, because it is absolutely hectic. More hectic than I can possibly digest. Okay, and let me stream. I would like to copy this so that I can actually send myself a message. So, Dmitry Demonev. Wait, embed? Is this what I need to do? Fine. I don't care. I just want to get the chat on my phone. precisely. I'm working on trying to find out how to throw Python exceptions in Rust code. And I'll save it and I'll refresh the thing. Where is it? Scroll text, refresh. Okay, so next what we need to do is to find is there Rust they're all error. No, it's not Rust, it's Python 3. Okay, for now, I'll just... Where is it? Here. For now, let's just console error. Let's do console error. If this JavaScript error happening, what I need to do is it is fine. Console error, and there is global rate of n is none. Yes, but what I actually need to do here is to find a silently ignore Python. So right. I think it is fine. So for now, I'll just do this. Or fix me. Python exception. Oh, how would I call it? Result. A result. Let me see. Go to definition and our result by object ref, and result is object ref by base exception. Let's see again. By base exception. How can I get by base exception? By base exception. Let's get this. Search for by base exception. By base exception. Get args, cause, set cause, context, set context. Constructor. So there is a constructor by new class args. I think I need a way to create an exception. So, okay, so, there is an issue. Recruiting. Let's work on it. configuration of this. Let's see the chat. Was a static noise. I apologize. I cannot really solve that problem. At least easily. But thank you for letting me know. Interesting. For some reason on my phone, it doesn't show me that I have any messages. So I guess I might need to actually check whether someone writes something. Let me check it. What I can do about it. YouTube. I'll try to write myself a message on YouTube. Let me see. Your channel. So I'm streaming right now. Your channel. So I'm streaming right now. Check. Your channel. And it does not display. Oh wait, never mind. It does display, just with a huge delay. That's why I wasn't able to see it on my phone. I apologize for any inconveniences that can be caused by this. I'll try to figure out how to set up noise suppression in order to improve the stream quality, but honestly, I'm not sure that I can even do this easily, because I think it should be enabled by default. And if it doesn't work, then there is probably a good reason why it doesn't. Okay, an error, and then what will happen? What should happen is that console error error borrowing immediately borrowing is the buffer. Why is that not the case? Found the unit type, but what I needed is a result of wait, what do you mean string? What? So it is and then I should return. I think there is a fix me. This should be an exception. A Python exception. Okay. And here, this should be a Python exception. Because we will learn to fix it. I don't know how to do that. I got a result. And if okay. What can I do about it? what can I do about it? So what should this return? I think it should return nothing. No, it should not return nothing. I think it should return an option. So I think it should return an option for the time being, because so it is this should be a none. This should be a none. Because I cannot actually do what I wanted. So it is an option. And if if let so the out buffer, what I must do is to have this thing write to the buffer if I acquired it. Otherwise it should be no. Otherwise it should not return anything. Expected option. Why should it expect option? Why did it expect option? This return applies to this. Oh, never mind. It should not be it should not be returned. It should be just like this. Now that I have this array function, which is a surrogate. Okay. Let write a function. It is a surrogate, exactly what I needed it to be. Now I need to just create a wrapper. Maybe I'll just. Alright, I'll do this. Let it is not exactly a wrapper, but original and surrogates, right of a wrapper. Let's go to definition. To do improve naming. Come up with a better name. Better to come up with a better name. And this should be good for now. Which is not exactly a wrapper, but alright, I have to do this here because I want to need it. Okay, I just do this. Okay, next. Wrapper. Maybe I should spend some time on improving my name here, because it really is annoying. Maybe I should call it canonicalization. Because what we are really trying to do is to fit write function to the signature. But we also provide buffering. Maybe I should do buffer, call it, maybe instead of wrap, I should call it buffer write fun. Because what I'm actually trying to do is just provide buffer to write fun. But is that how it should be? Fine, I'll call it Rob, I'll keep the name in for now, and maybe come up with a better name later. If you have names, if you have a name for this thing, I would absolutely love to hear how I should name it. Let me see. That it is slightly different. I actually need to create and make a node object here. But suddenly I no longer need to provide only that. I also need to return the original function. Or should I? Yes, I think I also need to return an original function. Then put as well and carry it. Even though it's slightly annoying, I wouldn't say considerably annoying. Probably that's the right thing to do. This one I'm not particularly sure. Since it is no longer, since I'm always returning the make function, I no longer need to wrap it in sum. And then, but I also need to ensure that I also return the original function. I think I need to I think I also need to create yet another enum to carry all this data. It is kind of annoying, but at the same time, it is somewhat necessary. Hey, I think I'll just go with mod make this node object with ops and make public. I will not make it public. I'll struct output. It is not a struct in enum, which should mirror the buffering. Okay, mirrors the not output, but the buffering. Make it into a struct variant, because this way I would be able to make the interface for accessing as allowed in each of the variants consistent and that's why I am going for this kind of way. Coding WASM, Rust plus WASM. I decided to start a stream on another platform as well, so I decided to write there something called Rust plus WASM for Python editor and embedded Okay, so I continue. Disabled and per print and per run, which must be not only stood out, which must be unconditional, and also I need another thing called, what is it called? Oh, original function. Original right function. Wait, no, I don't want it. Alright, and now I realize that it has to be generic offered function. Now it must be over. No, that's nothing right. You just accepts a string and is static. I believe that's the only requirement of this. And original right fun. I'll be a bit more explicit about it. And then maybe I'll just replace all of that thing, that code without it as well, because once again I'm not sure how to call this thing other than prop. Essentially it's just the output of this function, and that's what it is. It's just, that's the semantic meaning of it. It's just something that is the output of this function, which is the wrapping. Is it called wrapping? Okay. With this one, I don't really care if it's wrapping or not. It's just it does what it does. I can revisit the naming later. If you have an idea how I can name, and if you have specific ideas, please let me know. I'll be glad to know about it. And then I need to create an output of this thing, which must be it is mixed outputs. Output decline what I'm returning. So now I need to I'll use this Welcome, Jordana. How's it going? thank you for the follow. It's a bot. My bad. I did not realize that it was a bot. Okay, let me see. As dot object, write a fun. It is not exactly. Okay, at this point it is just output. Output. And it is instead of that it should be. Just the out. Just the out. Fine, I'll close it down because it really doesn't matter much. Option because I always return this without the choice to make it an option was a mistake. Now it works, and works as intended, which is awesome. Well, it works as intended modulo all the problems that were caused by this. So now it needs to but it must be an studio out or welcome Z. How's it going? Let me see. Hi Z, how's it going? Oh, you're autistic. I see. And that's okay, I guess. People are different. People have different things that affect them. Sometimes things happen, and we are born with various defects or things can happen to us too. You're welcome here. I see you're new to the app. Oh, thank you. My pleasure. I'm just trying to be a nice person. I do not want to be a total geek. That's the natural consequence of it. So, how's it going? Do you have any cool news that you would like to share? I am 25. It is in my bio. How about you? How old Yeah, there are lots of people of different ages, as you can imagine. Oh, you're 21. I see. So, do you study in a university? Why is it kind of right of a rubber? Something feels wrong here. Alright. I cannot do this because the right effect could be different things. Oh, so you do study in university? That's nice. So what do you study there? What's your major? I am. And it is in my bio as well. That's okay, don't worry. It is just like letting you know that often questions can be answered even without asking. So don't worry, don't feel sorry, just like letting you know. Why are you asking? Oh, I see. Yes, I am straight. Her girlfriend. Is absolutely sweet. How about you? That's sad. It's really sad that you don't have any friends. But you can always make new friends on here or in real life. There are lots of events which you can attend in person and start building relations to people. But it's weird, you are 21 and you don't have any friends. How come? It is pretty stupid. People have lots of weird preconceptions and misconceptions about it. And unfortunately, that's the reality. People form their opinions in very weird ways. There is a thing called halo effect, where people judge about the person in general and about its various qualities based on what they already can see. So if they see something and it draws their attention and it's bad, they tend to assume that the other person is also stupid, that they are also ugly, that they are also bad at doing stuff. So that's natural. And of course, have a great Daisy. Have a good one. Right of fan run original surrogate. I need to return not only that, but also the original function so that is it how I need to approach it? Probably not. Maybe what I should do is, I'm not sure whether that's what I need to do. Maybe I need to actually create something like this. Like select it out. And later it should, this thing here must be unified with makes down object with ops. But this unification is going to introduce even more complexity than is going to introduce even more complexity than there already is in the code. So this is questionable as well. It would be awesome if I didn't have to. Thank you for being so nice to me. And you are welcome. You are absolutely welcome. People deserve to be treated fairly and with respect. It is one of my fundamental beliefs. So, have a good one. That's only fair to do. STD out and let's be out. Right, that is a surrogate. Then what we need to do is to create. Right, let's do open in every. Should I really do this? Okay, I'll do this because I feel that I have no idea how I should approach it. How did I do with X dot object with ops? That's what it does, and it returns this thing, which is maybe I should return this thing. Okay, let me see. Output. Welcome, partner. How's it going? What does it return? That's what it does. Let me see. There's quite a lot of stuff here that needs to be sorted out. So it is error, and here I actually need to do. I think I just have to copy what it does. and just return it as an output. Can I? Console log isn't here, but I must be able to handle all the crevice. Holy grapes. It is incredible company. Struggling with the type information. Well, with type information erasure. And I'm trying with type information erasure Rust. So, what? Probably if I articulate the problem, it will actually be much easier for me to solve it. So I have this write-a-fun which is either console log or this unnameable closure type. So that's what it is. Either console log or some unnameable type. And they share the same signature. Both of them accept an str and return nothing. But this one is more specific than this, and it has benefits, because when I match on this, I can actually call it the right way and benefit from using this information. They are very similar in that regard. I did not return just one thing because, I mean, I could return just one thing, but then they would box. I'm gonna types are distinct from the point of view of Rust, because right actually contains some data. It contains this just this function which persists there. So I cannot really unify these types to one without any boxing, and I don't want to introduce boxing because it is inefficient. And I better learn how to reason about code where type erasure takes place. So now I'm struggling because I'm having an issue where this route is actually not for some arbitrary right event, but something more specific. Let me come back to it later. Let me come back to it. This FM console code, I believe, should implement yes, it should implement FM of this. But as more specific, that's the problem here. Let me write down the type of this thing. Can I even write down the type of this thing? And it is actually a right-of wrapper of 4 types, which is the original function, which in my case 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it is actually, let me do it like this because it is actually quite complicated here, because suddenly I have to so these 4 types are actually, so these 3 are infiltrate unnameable types, which are inferred from these, because it's the best from the past one. Per write buffering was a boolean, but per write buffering was not enough for all the cases where the function would be applied. So I had to actually rewrite it. So now I have to learn how I do this. To write a fund here is really a rough way, but how it is either this or that natural. Oh, and I actually have this interesting habit of me, how it is sense for. And so this is 0 size type. And this one is actually size, because indeed I passed a JSX function, which is a thing there, which persists in the function. For any of these types, oh, I see what's wrong here. I need to match and wrap on it. Silly me output. No, that's not the output I'm talking about. It is let's use I'll use this thing. I'll import this type so that I can actually use it. Can I? Oh right, because it is output, but I needed awk. Expected result output found output console. So it is output. Why is it that weird? Okay, let me see. Try this. This is the output, right? Why is it like this? Expected result outputs, this value found outputs. It is not, because so here's the output, here is I wrap it in K. Can I? Oh right, ceiling E. No, actually I need to do this. Actually never mind, I don't need this, so I'll put like this because so that I have to deal only with the actual thing, the right thing. Expected generic, which is the original function. Oh wait, is it only one generic? I suddenly have questions. Why is it only one generic? Oh right, because when we start using this, we eliminate the thing, and this thing is actually so let me infer that, because it could be either one of the types, I don't know. And I think at this point it is fine to remove them, because they don't add much information. Should I keep the types or should I remove them? Do they provide a benefit or do they create confusion and problems here? I am not sure if they are valuable. Cannot really do it this way because I no longer can do it this way because suddenly I cannot really return this parameter, this generic type, because the arms of because this for both just responds to two things that essentially a match statement. Both essentially does a match statement. In the end, they have to converge into one type, but they are not the same type. And it's good that I'm getting this error because this is a console log type, and this is a closure type, and these types are different. So what I need to do is to somehow converge one thing, which is unfortunately requires me to extend this complexity onto something that I think makes sense to me. I don't know, maybe I should continue with the either type. But how do I is there an either map? Is there an either map? Let me see. Either map. And welcome, Devil. How's it going? either map Rust. Either map. Either try both. Oh, I know what I need. Never mind. Let me see either. Maybe there is a map method. So there is a map either. Maybe that's what I need to do. Maybe I should. The essential problem here is that I need to apply a function that is syntactically the same for both arms of either, both for left type and for right type. However, this function is not particularly easy because I need to really converge it into another type, and if this convergence is problematic, I think I might be able to create it. I might be able to create something out of these. What is complicated, and I don't know. I really don't know. Oh yeah. My head can explode now. So, what I need to do is to converge these types of 4 to 1. How can I converge them to one type? Is there, can I just can I define my own type that would be similar to what I need? I am not sure. Either for both or yeah, I guess I need to create a map both macro so that it's there something like this already. Either Rust I don't think we need either. We need something that is more generic, that is dedicated to some type. Okay, let me see. Either there must be a link to the crate. Oh, it's part of RAN. I didn't realize it's part of RAN. Okay, so what do we do now? It was just a reminder about a workout. I think I'll take a break here. I'm planning to create an GitHub issue so that this problem could be solved either by me or by someone else, because I would really benefit from this. Okay guys, have a good one.